Welcome back to No Garage Stuff. If you're new to the channel, welcome. We are doing some routine maintenance on the Peugeot 505 wagon. We did notice in the past couple of months, occasionally we'd hear a low noise from the front end. This is the low noise that needs to be addressed. Ready? Listen. You hear that? We're spent out of wheel bearing grease, or we've toasted a couple of races. We do have some wheel bearings around here somewhere. I believe it's only for one axle, but we'll have to start searching for the inner and outer race and bearing if this can't be addressed with just wheel bearing grease. Last time we were in here was 2017, so what is that, 8 years? No bueno. If you hear a sound that's amplified, either a lower or a higher pitch under load when you're going on the highway, and you have a vehicle with serviceable wheel bearings, it needs to be addressed ASAP. In my younger years, I actually had a 604. The wheel bearing got so hot it actually melted to the axle spindle. It was kind of freaky. So that was when we were younger. So we've learned from our mistakes or experiences in life that address the situation before it gets worse. Our rotor looks fine. Our Aute caliper is fine. We're going to clean that up anyway. For some reason, this thing's never had rotors replaced, which is rare, considering these aren't vented and they're not warped, which is kind of rare for a Peugeot, considering they have to work hard. If you have a Porsche 944, 924, Audis, other European cars, those are your calipers right there. These are Aute. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, oh well. Let's do a concrete update, shall we? Let's go to our footer wall. Wow, look at that, huh? We're perfectly aligned as far as in the bubble. However, did we get a few low spots here? About that 10,000, 15,000. So we'll fill those in with mortar just to make ourselves feel nice, warm, and fuzzy. But yeah, that's going well. Now we just gotta make another run as soon as we resolve our wheel bearing issue, which we will.